Hygrophila difformis, commonly known as water wisteria, it is a background plant in the acanthus family. It is found in marshy habitats on the Indian subcontinent in Bangladesh, Bhutan, India and Nepal. Water wisteria is easy to grow, and as such it is a very popular plant for the tropical aquarium. It grows best in good light with a nutrient-rich water and substrate, and it benefits from additional CO2. Although most aquatic plants are too difficult to propagate, Hygrophila difformis multiplies easily. This rapid growth can be used to prevent algae since the plant absorbs nutrients from the water. The plant can withstand a very wide range of water values and temperatures as long as plenty of light and nutrients are available. Temperatures between 68 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, and maybe even higher or lower are not a problem, which makes this plant perfect for shrimp tanks. pH can be anywhere between 5 and 8, due to its ability to withstand a large range of water values and temperatures. Hygrophila difformis can even be grown by beginners. All you'll need to provide is light and, if you're looking for quick growth, the occasional dosage of nutrients. Since this plant is a fast grower, it does need a bit of care to prevent unnecessary growth. As you can just replant the tops you cut off while pruning. New roots will soon form, and your water wisteria bush will look even more lush than before.
Hygrophila difformis shows heterophyly, which is the occurrence of different leaf morphology in the same plant. Both forms differ strongly. Blue-violet flowers develop in the leaf azales, and they have a strong scent. Like many aquarium plants, it is grown immersed in plant nurseries.
Please hit the like, subscribe and bell icon if you like our videos.